ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਦਿਸ ਐਪੀਸੋਡ ਆਫ ਦ ਹਰਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸ਼ੋ। ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਸਾਥ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਮੰਡੇ ਟੂ ਫਰਾਈਡੇ ਸਵੇਰੇ 7 ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 8 ਵਜੇ ਤੱਕ, ਮੰਡੇ ਟੂ ਥਰਸਡੇ ਰਾਤ ਨੂੰ 10 ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 11 ਵਜੇ ਤੱਕ, ਅਤੇ ਸੈਟਰਡੇ ਨੂੰ 2 ਵਾਰੀ ਸਾਂਝ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਦੁਪਹਿਰ 2 ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 3 ਵਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਅਤੇ ਰਾਤ 8 ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ 9 ਵਜੇ ਤੱਕ। ਪੋਲੀਟਿਕਸ ਹੋਵੇ, ਇਕਨੋਮਿਕਸ, ਸਪੋਰਟਸ, ਲਾਈਫਸਟਾਈਲ, ਹੈਲਥ ਇਸ਼ੂਜ਼ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਕਮਿਊਨਿਟੀ ਪ੍ਰੋਫਾਈਲ, ਅਤੇ ਉਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਸਪਿਰਿਚੁਅਲਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਹਰ ਰੋਜ਼ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਘਰਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਇਆ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਛੋਟੇ ਪਰਦੇ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ। ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰੋਗਰਾਮ ਦਾ ਆਗਾਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਇੰਟਰਵਿਊ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ। ਵਿਨੀਪੈਗ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੰਡੀਅਨ ਸਕੂਲ ਆਫ ਡਾਂਸ ਅਤੇ ਥੀਏਟਰ ਇਹ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਿ ਆਪਣੇ ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਪਹੁੰਚਾਇਆ ਜਾ ਸਕੇ। ਇਸੇ ਸੰਬੰਧ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਾਡੀ ਟੀਮ ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਕਿ ਕਿਸ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ਾਂ ਕੀਤੀਆਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਲਚਰਲ ਰੂਟਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਭੁੱਲੀਏ। ਥੈਂਕ ਯੂ ਫॉर ਸਪੇਅਰਿੰਗ योर टाइम and talking to us.
You're most welcome.
So let's talk a little bit about this particular place. How are you trying to promote Indian culture in Manitoba?
For the last 33 years, the India School has been able to not only preserve and promote, but get the mainstream and ethnocultural organizations involved in the culture and the performing arts of India in Canada.
Right. So what all happens in this India School?
At the India School, it's an after-school program on after evenings and on the weekends, and intensive classes during the holidays where we have Bharatnatyam, Kathak, folk dances of India, and of course what is really popular now is Bollywood.
Okay.
So we usually have Bollywood, but we show them how they borrow from the classics and how they add to the contemporary, and how it's a new genre of dance.
So what kind of response are you getting from the youngsters, especially as far as the traditional forms of dances are concerned?
Initially, it began with the parents wanting them to dance. Sometimes the local or mainstream or young people come in and join Bollywood because that's what they are most familiar with. And then from there, they learn how dance originated, and then they move from Bollywood off into the classical dance training.
Right.
So the training here we've never had much of advertising or anything. It's just by word of mouth. And the fact that it's 33 years and we have had over 150 graduates that go to the school. I think it's safe to say this is the only school in North America which has dance, music and theatre all under the same umbrella.
Right.
And it's a community school.
Okay.
Run by the community. It's no one person.
Okay.
So it's a community effort.
So when you talk about theatre, in theatre, are you trying to bring in the Indian touch to it? Do you try to do that?
What we do is combine the aspects from music and dance.
Okay.
And sometimes the script may be a script from India, but often it is written by the young people here.
Okay. So why do you think, Pamela, that it is important to have that touch of Indian culture, especially to attach the youth with all this?
You want your young people to have good, strong roots. They must know where their parents and grandparents came, why we value the things we do, why we consider what things are precious to us, and for that we are able to make the great strides that we do in any field of whether it's sport, culture, medicine, law, anything.
And like you said, about 150 graduates have passed from this school. So what changes do you find after they go through this course and get attached to the traditional forms of dances?
This discipline that is required in music and dance spills over into their profession. And so I always say, when we have a surgeon who is not only does surgery, but he can play the tabla, he can come in and take a little break, or a doctor who dances. So if she's a psychiatrist, if something doesn't work, music or dance will. So, and also there's great pride. Initially they may come in because of the
some pressure from the
parents but often it is after the first 2-3 years, it's the student who insists, no, I want to be there.
Great.
And I think fact that the government at all three levels have embraced, not only embraced Indian culture, has given us a very high profile, has made that very important for the students, whether it's the Queen's visit, royal visits, anything, the India school is invited.
Oh, wonderful.
So I think that's important. The young people realize you're not relegated to the, to the sides or to the back.
Right.
You're given center stage.
Oh, that's
and that's
wonderful.
important.
That's really commendable, and congratulations for initiating this process and trying to bring Indian culture to the roots that is the youth. Thank
You're
you very much
most
for your time.
welcome.